Writing style engaging. Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a critical development that's shaking up Zimbabwe's political landscape. It's about the fervent supporters of Nelson Chamisa and the Blue Movement, who are no longer sitting in silence. They're making a bold move, calling on the Southern African Development Community, or Sadc, to intervene in what they claim to be a flawed electoral process. Let's break this down. Zimbabwe, a country with a rich history and complex political dynamics, has once again found itself at a crucial juncture. The opposition, led by Nelson Chamisa, alleges that recent elections were marred by irregularities and unfair practices. They argue that these discrepancies threaten the very fabric of democracy in the nation, and now they're taking their plea beyond national borders. Why Sadc, you might ask? Well, Sadc is a regional organization that aims to enhance economic cooperation and ensure peace and security in the Southern African region. By involving Sadc, Chamisa supporters hope to add a layer of legitimacy and pressure, urging for a thorough review and rectification of the electoral process. But why is this significant? It's because international bodies like Sadc can play a pivotal role in stabilizing political tensions and ensuring that democratic processes are respected and upheld. Their involvement could mean a chance at a fair resolution, not just for the opposition, but for the Zimbabwean people at large. However, this isn't just a simple request for oversight. It's a bold statement to call for justice and transparency that resonates with democratic values cherished around the world. It highlights the ongoing struggle for fair political representation and the lengths to which citizens will go to protect their electoral rights. It's about making sure every voice is heard, every vote counted. Now, while the Blue Movement's call for Sadc's intervention is a beacon of hope for many, it's also a path strewn with challenges. The effectiveness of such interventions often depends on a myriad of factors, including political will, international relations, and regional stability. Can Sadc make a significant impact? Only time will tell. This move by Chamisa's supporters is more than just a plea for electoral justice. It's a testament to the power of collective voice in the face of adversity. It's a reminder that in the quest for democracy, silence is not an option. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the fight for democracy is ongoing, and it's stories like these that remind us of the resilience and courage of those who stand up for what's right. Stay engaged, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video.